Thanks for joining again. This is Adam Novick, Vice President of Business Development with Planet Data, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the difference between our custodian filter and our Dedupe Custodian filter. If you look on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice that we have both a custodian and a Dedupe Custodian filter. Easiest way I like to explain this to clients is essentially using the global dedupe scenario. Many of our projects, it's very customary nowadays that we've done a global deduplication on the data as it's coming in to Exego Select before it is searched and culled by our clients. So if I open up my custodian filter, I can see that my very first custodian here, P. Allen, has 3,687 documents. And again, let's assume that that's the count after a global deduplication has taken place on this data. Now, if I jump down right below and I look at my Dedupe Custodian filter, I'm going to notice that there's a higher number here for P. Allen, 4,055, as compared to, again, the 3,687 in the custodian filter. So that's a difference of 368 documents. Where this comes into play is if someone on the case team wants to run a search against P. Allen documents, but they want to be sure that they're searching all of the documents, inclusive of this additional 368, which is essentially taking into account what those documents look like before the global dedupe took place. They would use the Dedupe Custodian filter. So I would simply isolate the 4,055 documents that P. Allen had, again, essentially prior to globally deduping his documents, and I could apply that and then run any search I wanted to ensure that it's inclusive of those additional 368 documents. Now, if I was using my custodian filter, again, those 368 documents are still somewhere in this database. However, based on the way the data was globally deduped, they're simply referenced under one of these other custodians. And there's really no way to know that just by looking at these basic filters. So this is something that can be done in other platforms, but many of our clients have told us that it's much easier to do it this way as opposed to some custom script work that they've seen run in other platforms. So again, very easy to distinguish between your custodian filter and your Dedupe Custodian filter, essentially giving you the ability to search all of the documents that a particular custodian might have had prior to a global dedupe taking place. Appreciate you taking the time to take a look at this one with me, and again, looking forward to showing you some of our additional features in future videos. Thanks.